It's probably the most heart-rending visual that has emerged out of the growing migrant crisis across the country. A baby playing with a shroud covering its dead mother at a station in Bihar. Now, this really, in a sense, is a metaphor for all those migrants who have been stuck because of the lockdown, desperate for jobs, food or shelter, making desperate journeys home on migrant trains, and now having to deal with the intense heat around the country and collapsing from heat, hunger and exhaustion. You see this toddler tugging at the cloth that's partially covering his mother, lying motionless on a railway platform. The cloth comes off, but the woman doesn't move. She died of heat, hunger and dehydration just minutes earlier. This is from the Muzaffarpur railway station in Bihar. The woman had arrived there in a special train for migrants. She had apparently already been unwell on the train because of the lack of food and water. She boarded the train from Gujarat on Saturday. Manish Kumar joining us at this point. Manish, will these visuals finally make people wake up and take notice? What else is it going to take?
Ankita, nothing is going to happen because the authorities are really very insensitive. And I can tell you how things have really gone from bad to worse. When these Shramik special trains were started on May 3rd of this month, really, there were a lot of arrangements being made for their water, food and screening at every station, wherever the trains were, supposed to be terminated. Few trains even arrived before time. But now what has happened is that Ministry of Home Affairs has changed the rule and they have now come up with a new amendment where the consent of the destination state is not required. So all these trains really overpacked. In the initial days, the trains were not fully they were full, but now what has happened that these trains are really full with the people. There is no social distancing, there is no rules, and even the destination state is informed at the 11th hour. So there is a complete chaos and there is no food, there is no water, which is already reported very widely in the television as well as in the print media. But these people, they are very poor people and they are not able to really, survive. And because most of the trains are also running now late, it's not only a few hours because most of the trains are running late by few days now. And railways doesn't know because they have to decongest some of the cities, and that is why there is so much of pressure. In Bihar, almost every day there are over 150 trains which is coming, carrying more than 1,75,000 people. So that is why the situation is so worse. And in this case also, we are reacting because there is some video footage, but there are a lot of people who are really suffering. There are a lot of people who have died, but their death has gone unreported. Ankita.
Manish, apart from this woman whose visuals we see, another case in which a 2.5-year-old child has died, and the child's family also talking about how they were at the railway station on the platform begging for help, and those cries of help went unanswered as well. What more do we know about that case?
In that case also, the father is saying that, mother tried her best, but she could not feed her kid, and that is why, out of no food, no water, the child really, child died later. And both the cases, both the videos are of the Muzaffarpur railway station on Monday. So, it's taking place, and it's not only Muzaffarpur. We have got some reports from Gaya also in the last few days, and cases like this is increasing day by day. Ankita.